Currently there are 3 different models of the SQ series, the SQ5, SQ6 and SQ7. Let's start off with the SQ5. We have 48 channels and 36 buses. Physically, we have 21 inputs and 14 outputs on the rear panel, a total of 17 faders and 8 soft buttons. The SQ6 has basically the same 48 channels and 36 buses, but in terms of the inputs and outputs, there's an upgrade to 29 inputs and 16 outputs. We have 25 faders. We have double the amount of soft buttons and also the addition of the 4 soft rotaries. And in terms of the SQ7, same thing, 48 channels, 36 buses, but we have 37 inputs and 18 physical inputs and outputs, upgrade to 33 faders, 16 soft buttons, and a total of 8 soft rotaries. So you can see that there are a few models that are available, but the basic operation of them are pretty much the same. If there are ever any major differences, we'll point them out as we go through the course. Okay, so let's get started and have a brief overview of the front panel.